Hi, I'm Tim. I'm the head chef here at Firepot. I've been here about 7 years now. Sort of tend to do most of the planning with the menus, order the food, that sort of stuff. We go from there, we work it out, we've got a good team. I'm local to the area. I grew up in Powerstock, just the other side of Bridport. Small village, not much goes on in there, which is why I like that life now, I think. Where I live as well is in the middle of nowhere, so I can come out of the house, I'm in the middle of fields and woods straight away. Long walks with the dog. I mean, I love going like Dartmoor. Don't plan a route, just go and walk it. And then sort of, when you've had enough, you turn around and come back. From about 13, 14, I've been catering. Started working in a pub, washing up, as a lot of chefs do. Went to college and sort of built up like you do, from a trainee to a sort of sous chef to a head chef. And then I run a few kitchens along the line. Then I moved to the Channel Islands for about a year and a half, a little island called Sark. And then I moved back here. I had my son in '99, so I gave up catering for a while then, obviously with him growing up and that. So I worked for a local brewery, Palmer's Brewery, and then once Elliot had grown up, I wanted to get back into catering, so I bought a catering van. It was called the Falafel Den, so I was doing like falafel wraps, all that sort of stuff. Then I saw John had put an advert in the Firepot, and I thought it looked really intriguing. I've sort of never dealt with dehydrated food, so I contacted him. It was very exciting. It was like it was learning something new again. Obviously, you've still got your skills there that you're doing, but the whole dehydrating side of it is completely different. It's just quite sort of amazing, really, the way it comes up in that. All from an advert John had put in, looking for somebody for a chef. Do you know what? I can't remember how many years I've been here. I'm terrible with remembering how long. It's quite a while now. Probably about 7 years ago now. So yeah, I've been here about 7 years, I think. Right from the beginning.